Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a Roblox Noob. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Roblox Noob, let's begin with the head. So we're going to start right over here on the paper. I'm going to try to move the cat out of the way. We're going to start right over here on the paper and we're going to begin with the face. So I'm going to begin by making a line that's going to come up. We're going to leave some space, and I'm going to make another one that's going to come up right here, and they're almost at a little bit of a curve as they come up. Next, we're going to make a line that comes right across to connect the top. And then we're going to make a line right across the bottom to connect it. Starting here at the bottom of the head, I'm going to draw a line that comes out on each side for the shoulders. Then I'm going to draw a line that comes down on each side, and I'm slowly curving these in just a little bit, so it's a little bit wider up here and a little bit narrower down here. Next, I'm just going to make a line that comes right across. Now for the legs, I'm going to start by making a line that's going to come down. I'm going to go over and back up for a leg. And then I'll do the same thing over here. I'm going to go down. I'm going to bring it over and up. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up at an angle, and then we're going to bring it straight up like this. Make it a little bit more three-dimensional. We'll do the same thing here. Let's go up at an angle, and then we're going to bring it in like this. Now, starting up here, let's make the arms. I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's going to come up. I'm going to come down, and then we're just going to bring it right back towards the body. We'll do the same thing up here. I'm going to bring this line up. We're going to come down. And then we're going to bring this line back towards the body. Starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go down, and then we're just going to kind of curve it over. Same thing here. Bring this line down, and then we'll just curve it over here for some detail. Now let's make the face. So to start off with the face, I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to make a tall oval, and I'm just going to color in. I'm going to leave some space, and then we'll do the same thing here. We're just going to make a tall oval that we color in. Then starting here, we're going to just make a nice smile. So we're just going to make a little smiley face right here for the mouth. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Roblox Noob. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.